Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. Welcome another new video. And if you are a WordPress user, then definitely you know one plugin. The plugin is Contact Form 7. This plugin is that much popular that so far 5 million plus website is powering by this plugin. But today I am not going to talk about this Contact Form 7 plugin. Today I am going to talk about different plugin. That plugin is going to help you to utilize this contact form in more efficient way. So what is the plugin name and how the plugin is going to help you? First of all, the plugin name is Redirection for Contact Form 7. How this plugin is going to help you? This plugin is going to help you in many ways. With the Contact Form 7 plugin, you can insert the contact form in different pages in your website, and wherever you insert a contact form, after the submission of that contact form, what you are going to do, what you are going to show to your visitors, what is the content you are going to highlight, that you can do with this Redirection for Contact Form 7, this plugin. And the plugin is quite popular that you are seeing that 200,000 active installation of this plugin. Now the intro time. After the intro, we will see more insight and more information that's going to help you to use this plugin. Redirection for Contact Form 7. This plugin will help you to redirect your user to a specific page or specific place or specific content after one submission from the Contact Form 7. So if you check the uses, simply go to your form setting, choose the redirection setting tab and set the page you want to redirect to. That I already said. Now where you can redirect your future customer or future visitors, so redirect to any URL, redirect to any new page, new tab, and you can run a JavaScript after form submission. Also you can add honeypot to minimize the spam score. So these are the service you can get from this plugin. Now the next categorized information. Let's see who built this amazing plugin. QB on, they built this plugin and this is their landing page. Landing page is so far clean, neat and clean, and they state that why people love our plugin: easy installation, support, flexibility, easy to connection. These are the things. Here they state that 11 in 1. We are going to explain this later, but before that, let's see what WP Hive is giving as insight of this plugin. So if you look on the WP Hive test script, then all of the criteria are green mark, only minimal impact on memory uses, this is the red mark. We are going to see what is the explanation of this red mark. So here they said this plugin uses 178.19 kilobyte memory on average, which is more than the plugin should use. Now let's get back to the other insightful information. So far the plugin has got 2 million total downloads and 200,000 active installation, that I already said. The plugin is 4 years so far. Growth rate is 0.2%, which is average growth rate of maximum plugin available in WordPress directory. So far there is 12 support thread and on 44 ratings on WordPress. In last week the plugin got 28k download, where 13 days ago the plugin was got updated for the last time. So this was the insightful information from the WP Hive. Now the explanation and the price. If I look on the price, they have different pricing for the different extension. Now this is the surprising that maximum of our plugin that is available on WordPress directory, they have single pricing plan, like for one site license, for multiple site license, for yearly license, for lifetime license. But here how they are working, how they're offering the pricing. Basically they are offering the pricing for the single extension. Let's say you want to create PDF, then you will have to pay $39.9 per year. If you want account credential logic, then you will have to pay $24.9 per year. So this is the way they are offering the pricing yearly pricing. Mostly I'm seeing that all of them are yearly pricing, so whatever the extension you want, you have to pay for 1 year. They already stated that they have 100% money back guarantee, no risk on their payment system. Now the question is this payment, is this charge is quite balanced, or this charge is high charge? Here is the little explanation. You need to understand how the pricing is comes, otherwise you will feel misleading information, right? So this charge, let's say $39.9 per year or $24.9 per year. So these are the charges for each extension you want to take from this website. Now the question is, when you want to do marketing, when you want to take the client acquisition, when you want to grow your business, on that time you need to redirect your client, your visitors, to a specific page, to a specific product. So this is really helpful. This is possible only when you will have this redirection for contact form 7, this plugin. Maybe there is some other plugin similar to this service, but today I'm talking about this redirection for contact form 7 plugin, right? So in that case, if you think about customer acquisition, if you think about growth, if you think about specific product promotion, then in my opinion this price is fine. But let's say you are a freelancer or you are a new developer, you are testing, you are in testing phase, you are not thinking about growing now, you are just a starting stage of your business. In that case, I suggest you to not to take this extension. Rather you can use the free version of this plugin, redirection for contact form. So these are the opinion. Now if you have any question for this plugin, don't forget to comment below. Apart from this, if you have something to know, if you want us to review any plugin, don't forget to comment below. Thank you.